A root barrier drainfield septic system for a tiny house is a focused, low-impact way to keep tree roots from invading and damaging a small drainfield. Start by siting the drainfield at least 20 feet away from trees with aggressive root systems and plan the layout so distribution lines avoid nearby roots altogether. Use a high-density polyethylene sheet or specially designed root barrier fabric installed vertically along the outer edges of the drainfield trench to block lateral root growth. Place the barrier at least 2 feet deep for most trees and extend it above the soil line by a few inches to prevent surface roots from crossing. Backfill carefully so the barrier remains upright and not folded against distribution pipe laterals, because folds create bypass paths for roots and weak points for tearing. Choose shallow-rooted turf grasses and ground covers that require minimal irrigation and do not disturb the soil when establishing, and avoid woody shrubs and trees within a radius equal to the mature canopy of any nearby specimen. Inspect the site twice a year during dry seasons and after heavy rains for signs of damp areas or slow drainage, which indicate beginning clogging from roots or biofilm. If you see saturated spots, probe the lateral lines with a flexible camera or schedule a professional dye test to locate restrictions. When installing, slope the drainfield uniformly and maintain access risers or inspection ports to allow jetting or selective cutting out of roots without excavation. Homeowners often place ornamental trees too close to small systems because they underestimate root reach. Remove or relocate those trees early to prevent damage. People sometimes install barriers improperly by not extending them deep enough or by leaving gaps at utility crossings. Cut and fit the barrier tightly around pipes and reseal with compatible soil and pipe collars. A third common issue is planting invasive or watering-intensive species above the drainfield, which encourages root growth and saturation. Replace them with drought-tolerant, shallow-rooted grasses and adjust irrigation to minimize moisture over the field. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors who understand tiny house septic solutions and root management for small drainfields. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we maintain a discussion community so people can share experiences, ask questions, and learn from each other.